Beluga whales are easily recognizable by their distinctive white color, which is a result of a lack of pigment in their skin. They are sometimes referred to as the canaries of the sea due to their high-pitched vocalizations. They have a unique feature called the melon, a fatty lump on their foreheads that helps to navigate and locate objects in their environment. This structure can be altered in shape to focus and direct sound waves. The beluga tail, or fluke, is not as deeply notched as those of other whale species. This adaptation is thought to help them navigate through ice-covered waters more effectively. Belugas have particularly thick and tough skin, which can be up to 2 inches in some areas. This adaptation is believed to help protect them from the abrasive ice they encounter in their Arctic habitat. They are known for their wide range of vocalizations, including clicks, whistles, and clangs. They are capable of mimicking human sounds such as machinery and speech, making them one of the most vocally versatile marine mammals. Belugas are highly social animals and are known to travel in groups called pods. These pods can consist of a few individuals to several hundred members. Social bonds are crucial for their survival in the wild,